Hey Costco shoppers, let's talk about that $750 Costco gift card from Cartvoucher.deals that's been blowing up online. I know, it sounds like the deal of the year, right? But before you jump in, let's break it down. First off, is it real? Nope. It's not a legit promotion from Costco Wholesale. Cartvoucher.deals is a third-party rewards platform. What does that mean for you? Well, those sites usually lure you in with huge gift card offers, but there's always a catch. Here's what to watch out for. 1. This is not from Costco. Costco has made it super clear. They never send emails or texts offering free gift cards just for taking a survey. If it's not coming from their official email, it's not them. 2. That $750 reward comes with a big string attached. You're usually asked to complete a bunch of paid subscriptions, sign up for credit cards, or try services you don't need. By the time you're done, you could end up spending way more than the card's worth, or get nothing at all. 3. Data harvesting. These platforms are gold mines for telemarketers. You give your name, phone, and email, and suddenly your phone blows up with spam calls and sketchy emails. Not fun. So, what's the real way to score big at Costco? Stick to official rewards. Executive members can earn up to $750 a year, but it's based on what you actually buy. No tricks, no spam. And digital shop cards? They only come from Costco itself, never a random website. Bottom line, don't click, don't share your info, and if you've already signed up, keep an eye out for scams and report them to the FTC.